Hello friends, today. Hello, I'm Mohammed Garli. I'm Waqar Ali. Mohammed Garli. So Waqar, uh, Waqar, I'm Waqar. I'm Waqar Ali. I'm Waqar. Web engineering course, more classes. So and also ready is a software engineering kid course. More documents ready. So Android and .NET and Apple etc. So and MCQs etc. So if you also did that update. So now first I teach you today uh, title in web engineering. So web engineering के next other classes. So here is today I teach you the title, the heading, the order list, unordered list, and some HTML CSS. Uh, uh, so and so HTML CSS my border display. Okay, so and here is my number. If you any ask me the questions, anything you want to ask, email, message me, call me. English and Urdu only. So and also English Urdu Hindi supports I give. So other language I don't know. So email me or SMS me or chat, Facebook, Twitter, Skype, uh, TikTok, Insta, other so many social media I use. So and also my friends too also came. So anything you want to learn me or anything you want to work with me or so contact me without any tension. So love brothers, sisters, and all his friends. Okay, twing. So uh, today the right code I already write the so it's easy for understand. So write not take time. So shortly you understand what I teach you. Okay. Whee! Also this music is my own. So do not YouTube don't copyright. This is my music from my mouth. Okay. Oh, okay. Here there is the no title. Okay, and just save it. Human angel, human angel 7777. Okay. Okay, this is a title like you understand. So first you understand that. So next heading tag. Whee, Jumbo. So also the live view. So live view. So save it. So live view may already do not need save. So already in the beam we were do so also in the browser. So oh, save already. So here is the browser. Right. Okay, small to big heading, small to big headings, so easy to understand. Okay, now what heading next? The order list order list start with the tag ol. Okay, ol, and the list is li. So okay, here more show. So what the order is? Okay, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3. Okay, okay, fine. So here is the one thing you more learn. Li tag ol ol. Okay, ol से start होगा ol से and li. ठीक है, order हो गया, unorder. Okay, understand that. Here's the order, that's unorder. The comments, for the comments in the HTML, use this less than sign, and this is this, and this simple this this is a comment. Anything you write here for, in the HTML, every language is a comment also. So अच्छा दैस हो गया. So अब नेक्स्ट पे नेक्स्ट पे क्या था, नेक्स्ट क्या था, नेक्स्ट HTML and CSS. So here is the CSS, right? P अच्छा अच्छा फर्स्ट स्टाइल को कॉपी, here copy style. So